Good morning, everyone. I am Romy James Ago, and I'm honored to share my journey with you today. My story is one of the perseverance, passion, continuous growth, both as individual and as entrepreneur. I firmly believe that every achievement is a stepping stone to a greater things. I am proud to share with you some of the milestones that have shaped my journey. I hold two bachelor degrees. First is a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Management Information System. This degree has equipped me with the knowledge and skills to navigate the business world with confidence, particularly in a technology-driven industry. Along the side, I also pursue a Bachelor of Science in Nursing, which reflects my deep root of passion for helping others. While these fields may seem different, I have found way to integrate them and using my business expertise to make a difference in the beauty and wellness industry. My passion for business led to complete the Kapatid Mentor Me program, which is KMME, under the Department of Trade and Industry, or DTI, in Davao City, Region 11. This program provides me with a valuable mentorship, helping me refine my entrepreneurial strategy and take my business to the next level. One of my proudest achievements is founding Romy James Marketing. A company is dedicated to produce a high-quality skincare products under the White Glow Products brand. Through this venture, I'm not only provide effective beauty solution, but also create opportunities for individuals who wants to start their own business. My journey is far from over. These achievements are just the beginning, and I am continuously striving for growth, innovation, and greater impact. I established Romy James Marketing in 2017. Our company is trusted Davao-based cosmetic manufacturer, FDA and halal certified. Through White Glow Products, we offer skincare products and we provide business opportunities for reseller and dealers. Our mission is simple: quality skincare, confident, and opportunities. Our journey in the beauty and skincare industry has been marked by dedication, quality, and excellence. Through hard work, we have earned prestigious industry recognitions, including being a regional winner in the year 2021 and the year 2023 Productivity Olympics. This awarded by the National Wages and Productivity Commissions. These achievements highlight our commitment to innovations, efficiency, and growth. So now, why I pursue this MBA? So I chose to pursue an MBA to expand my business knowledge and leadership skills. As an entrepreneur, I am always striving to become a better leader and a mentor, ensuring that I can guide others towards success. This journey is about enhancing my ability to grow and sustain thriving business, equipping me with the right strategy to take the Romy James Marketing to greater heights. My goal is to continue learning, evolving, and making a lasting impact in the industry. Thank you for listening to me, and don't forget to follow my FB accounts or like my Facebook and White Glow Products also. Thank you very much.